Crafters, it's the Craftin' Cowboy coming at you again right here from Perrysville, Indiana, the land of tall corn and not much more. It's Creek Bank Creations, Tom and Julie Creek. We're a small family operation. We have our own line of stamps, dies, adhesives, and other products, all labeled under the Creek Bank Creations brand. Have we got a special time for you this weekend? Hope you guys are enjoying the summer, because out here in Indiana, it's hot. And all these women are wearing their capris. We're going to be talking about capris today. That's right, capris. Well, hey, forget me talking about it. I'm just the crafting cowboy, don't know anything about crafting, but I'm married to the lady who does, and here she is right now.
My name is Julie Creek, and my husband Tom and I own Creek Bank Creations, and we are not talking about capris, but we are talking about capricious. So we are going to talk about our Trinity dies. Today we have 4 dies that are called Trinity dies, and when you open the package, what you'll find is each of them have 3 dies. That's why they're called the Trinities. My favorite out of the set is the Capricious. We're gonna work with it today. If you had the chance to watch our last live video with Stamp and Scrapbook Expo, you know that we talked about the Angel Side Circle card. And let me show you what that looks like. It's a base card. It opens up and it looks like this. Angel Side Circle. So today we're going to make a card off of the Angel Side Circle card base, and we're going to amend that die just a little bit. So if you didn't get to watch my video on the Angel Side Circle, you can go to our YouTube channel and look it up. We do have a Pinterest page. Our Pinterest page is full of ideas for the Angel Side Circle card and the Trinity dies. So the things that you'll see here today, you can see on our Pinterest page. You can also check out our blog at www.creekbankcreations.blogspot.com. Anytime we do a live, we always have a blog post that goes with it, and the blog post contains links to our website. So if we used a product and you're looking for it, you can find it that way. Now we are going to need to cut a card base today, and this is the card base die, Angel Side Circle. We're going to cut that, and that's going to be the background for our card. So what we're going to do today is turn this card into a stand-up card. So we're going to amend the Angel Side Circle, and instead of it being flat, it's going to end up being a stand-up card, and we can still ship it in an A2 envelope. The base die is 9.25 inches long, so you are going to need an extended cutting pad. We do sell the Sizzix products on our website, so you can order the, we have the platforms and the cutting plates. If you need the clear cutting plates, we have those. So here's the same Angel Side Circle in an amended format, so you can make a wreath out of it. Okay, so in order to do that, the first thing we want to do is take that base die and cut that base piece. And I have cut that already for you. And we're going to put that all together. Now, this is the dies that I just showed you are Capricious. And I will show you before we turn the camera down, we do have a dragonfly, which is there's 3 parts to it, and he's so pretty, or she, depending on what you do with them. We have the butterfly panel, and this is, again, 3 dies layered up. Show you different versions of it. The oval Trinity is really nice. I designed that so you could put a sentiment or a stamp right inside that panel, and you could have a really nice card to either stamp or put a sentiment on. If you watched our last video, you saw our Miracle of Christmas stamp, and there it is right inside the panel of the oval Trinity. So 4 oval Trinity dies, and today the one we're going to work with and build on, teach you how to layer these dies, is the Capricious die. So hang on, I'm gonna turn the camera down and we're gonna make this card together. So we have our stand-up card here, and all we've done is transform the Angel Side Circle into a stand-up card. So I wanna show you how to do that. We cut that first base like we talked about on cardstock, and then we're going to take our scoreboard, and we're going to put our card right up to the top of our scoreboard. And when I do this, I like to use a ruler as an alignment because the circle is wider than the rectangle. So if you use a ruler, you can use that as your straight edge right there. So you make that sure that's straight. And we're going to score at 2 1/8. We're just going to run a simple score line at 2 1/8 in the middle of that circle. That's going to give us the fold mark that we need. And then we're going to fold this piece down. So we're going to fold that in. And then we're going to fold it in again. That's going to give us the stand-up element that we need for our card. We're going to take and we're going to mat that piece on another piece of cardstock. The red cardstock, or the base, is going to measure 5.5 by 4.25, and that is the size of the standard A2 card. We're going to center that right on there. And now what we have is an area down here that we want to accent. So I have cut my red cardstock 3.75 by 4.5, and I have my sentiment stamp here. This is our hero stamp. This piece of cardstock measures 3.5 by 4.25. We have a really nice selection of sentiment stamps that have very nice meanings on them. We are going to adhere this right into the bottom of our card, but we're going to use our clear tape. So we're going to line the top and the middle and the bottom with the clear tape. And we call this foam tape. It's actually not foam tape, it's an acrylic type tape. But the great thing about it is that it's totally clear. Now we are offering the Trinity dies on a bundle special today, and you can get the bundle for 30% off. But the foam tape is not included in the bundle, but you can use the coupon code Sunshine and get 20% off. We're gonna pull that off. Get rid of that tape liner. I have found it very effective to put the tool in from the side on this. This has the red liner on it and it wants to grab and stick. So if you move the tool in from the side, you have better luck pulling off that liner. Now we're going to take our card and we're going to set that right in our base. And that's going to give us the base that we need for our card. Very nice. And it gives us the tuck point for the top of the Trinity. We need to make our Trinity. So when we are die cutting the Trinity panels, we are die cutting all 3 panels, and we're doing red, white, and blue here, getting ready for 4th of July. So I have already cut these. When I cut these, I have my super tacky tape on the back. So this is our super tacky tape. We sell this in a 3-inch roll or a 6-inch roll. You're gonna unroll your tape, get your cardstock, put your piece of cardstock in the tape, and then you're going to trim it out. So you're gonna set your cardstock in there, trim it out, and you're gonna die cut, and that's gonna turn your die cut into a sticker. So we're cutting all 3, and then we're going to layer them. Inside the angel side circle die is an accessory circle. You need to die cut the accessory circle on white cardstock, and I have super tacky tape on the back. So what we're going to do is pop the centers out of all 3 pieces. We're going to remove the centers. It's kind of a unique thing about this die is that you can stack the center any way you want it. And we are going to take our circle and we are going to remove the liner. So I'm going to take my pick tool and I am going to get a hold of that tape liner and remove it. So I've got my sticky side up, and what I want to do is take my undo and cover the whole surface. Undo is acid free and is photo safe. As long as the tape is wet with the undo solution, then I know that when I go to put my sticky product on there, that undo is going to suspend adhesion. So I'm going to pull the liner off of the first layer, and I'm going to set that on. And we need to make sure that all those little things are stuck out. And then we want to center it right in the middle of our panel. Just like that. Now, we have our red layer on, or I'm sorry, we have our white layer on. We're going to go back in and we're add another layer. So let's add a little more undo. You can see when you work with undo, it'll literally start evaporating in 10 or 20 seconds. So you don't have to worry about it ruining your projects. We're going to lay the next layer right on, and the reason these dies are so easy to layer is because we know how to use the magic of undo. You can find undo on our website. So we're going to pull this off, and then we're going to add the blue layer, and that's our top layer. I do think you kind of have to work around and mess with the color combinations on these and figure out what process, which colors you like on the top or the bottom. We're going to lay that right on there. And you can see how easy that is to layer up. Now, we want to build our center. So what we want to do is have the white outline on the top. So we're going to drop in the blue outline first. We're going to set it right in there. And we have our blue outline on. Now, we want the white one in the background. So we're going to pick out the centers. I'm just picking out the centers of these little flowers. And then we're going to drop this in that center piece. There we go. And if I needed to, if I felt like I needed to move things around, I could just drop a little undo in there to help move things around better. Now, I just love the inside of the red piece. It has those little dots popped out of that piece, and they look so beautiful when you lay them in. So we're going to lay that right inside that piece, all the way around. Now, when you're laying these in, you can use your pick tool to push things around and get things to sit exactly the way you want it. That little guy's stuck in, so we're going to use the pick tool to pull him out. Now, we want to put that white layer right on the top. So we're going to get our white piece and we're going to stick that right on the top, and that just really adds a little bit of dimension on them. So you can mess around with those inside pieces and decide how you want to layer them up. Now what I have left here is the super tacky tape on the big circle in the background. So what we want to do is glitter that up, and we're going to take our pixie puffer and we're going to glitter that. Now I'm going to put my paper back there so you can actually see what's going on. This is our pixie puffer. We sell it empty. We sell pixie dust that you can put in the pixie puffer and then it'll puff for you. So swing valve opens the puffer. I'm going to put my finger on the top and I'm going to pump the handle. That's dry glitter. It's empty. You put your glitter in it, microfine or super fine. And then the way I like to use this is to use it over the trash can so that all the excess goes in the trash can. And now what we've done is set that glitter all down into our tape, and we have that beautiful design. Very, very beautiful way to build the Trinity. Now we do have the glitter vac on our website, and this is a fun little tool. Has a rechargeable port in it and a place at the bottom that you can empty your glitter. So we have our Capricious, not Capri's, Craftin' Cowboy circle done, and we're going to add that right to the bottom of our circle. So we're going to tape that on, and set that right on the bottom of our circle. We've used our super tacky tape today, and we have this 3-inch, 6-inch, 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch, and we do have that as a bundle special on the website. We have a whole section of bundle specials, and you'll see the good pricing there on those. Push that down, and now you have created that beautiful stand-up card to give to someone who really is a hero. Now, the Craftin' Cowboy is coming back, and he has got some deals for you, and he is not wearing capris.
Crafters, hope you enjoyed that presentation. It's a really cool way to use that Angel Side Circle die. We have that on special still, the Angel Side Circle and the 3 accessory dies. Normally $52, on sale for $36.50. That's called the Angel Side Circle bundle. But what we detailed today was the Trinity dies. And we have a bundle special on those, all 4 of them. You get the Butterfly 3-piece die set. You get the Oval Trinity 3-piece die set. You get the Dragonfly 3-piece die set. And Capricious, not Capri, Capricious 3-piece die set. All 4 dies is $128.96 value. We're gonna let you have it for $89.99. That's right, only $89.99. We don't make a lot of money at Creek Bank Creations, but we make a lot of friends. Also, all of our products online are 20% off if you use the coupon code SUNSHINE. So use the coupon code SUNSHINE to get 20% off all of our tapes, adhesives, accessories, brushes, and we also have the bundle specials. They're already discounted at 30%. And all orders over $50 are free freight. Can't wait to hear from you. Go to www.creekbankcreations.com. Thanks a lot. See you next time.